What's up everyone? In this video I will show you how to open up your Toyota Mirai key fob to change the internal battery at home. Don't worry, this is a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. Now if you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just like to pick one up online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that will be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. So the first step here is to look on the bottom, or where would it be? On the back. Right here on the back there is this little switch. We're going to hold that down and pull out the internal key. You can set that to the side. In here we can see the keyhole, and right next to it there is like a little slot, a little indentation in the plastic. So right here is the keyhole, and then next to it there is a little area. We're going to take a flathead, a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it into that little slot in the plastic, and just hold the device loosely and twist the screwdriver. That will crack this thing open. You can just pull these two halves apart, set this to the side, and now we can just kind of dump out or lift out this circuit board. So go ahead and remove that, and try to be a little bit careful when handling this. Don't touch the back too much. Hold it on the sides like I am doing here. And we're going to use the same flathead screwdriver just to come in between the battery and little plastic behind it. We're going to gently push it in there. So hold the device on the sides. Careful not to drop your device. And we want to just wiggle this thing in under the battery, and it will kind of pop out. So let me show you that one more time. I'm going to click it back in there. And with the corner of your flathead, just start to work your way in, and you'll feel it slide under there, and from there you just want to pull it out with your fingers. Just to reiterate, this is a CR2032 battery, and there will be a link down in the description if you are interested in getting one of those on Amazon. And the important thing here is that the positive side is going face up. So when you click this back in, you want to see that plus sign facing up. Now if you pick up the back of the device here, you can see there is this little circle there. It's a little circle with a battery icon. The battery will go face down on top of that. So put that in there. Circuit board should be facing up, and then we can just click this right back in place on top. And of course, put your key back in there, and if you'd like, you can test it, make sure that that light does come on. That means you followed all the steps correctly and your battery is good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like so others can see it. And if you ever need help changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model, and you can also go ahead and visit us at fobbattery.com to see our content directly.